Imagine swallowing a tiny pill, and inside that pill is years of research, millions of dollars in testing, and one of the most controlled manufacturing processes on Earth. That small tablet might weigh less than a gram, but the journey it takes before reaching a pharmacy shelf is massive. Every year, billions of people rely on medicine to treat infections, control blood pressure, fight pain, and save lives. But most people never think about how those medicines are actually made. It's not just mixing chemicals in a lab. It's a complex system of science, machines, precision measurements, and strict safety rules. Today, we're going behind the scenes to see how modern medicine is created, tested, and turned into the tablets and capsules millions of people take every day. The journey begins long before factories or machines. It starts inside research laboratories where scientists search for new molecules that could potentially treat diseases. Pharmaceutical researchers analyze thousands of chemical compounds looking for one that can interact with the human body in the right way. For example, a drug designed to lower blood pressure must target specific receptors in blood vessels. Antibiotics must attack bacteria without harming human cells. But here's the shocking part. Out of every 10,000 chemical compounds scientists test, only one may eventually become a medicine approved for human use. When researchers identify a promising compound, they begin years of laboratory testing. First, the chemical is studied to understand how it behaves. Scientists test how stable it is, how it dissolves, and how it reacts with other substances. Next come preclinical tests. These studies examine how the compound affects living organisms. Researchers analyze toxicity, dosage levels, and possible side effects. If the compound passes these early stages, the next step is clinical trials, testing on human volunteers. Clinical trials usually happen in 3 phases and can take many years. In Phase 1, a small group of healthy volunteers receives the drug. Scientists monitor how the body absorbs and processes it. Phase 2 expands testing to people who actually have the disease the drug is designed to treat. Researchers evaluate how effective it is and identify the best dosage. Phase 3 involves thousands of patients across multiple hospitals. This is where scientists confirm whether the medicine truly works and ensure it is safe. If the results are successful, pharmaceutical companies submit all the data to regulatory agencies. These agencies carefully review every detail before approving the medicine for public use. Only after approval does the manufacturing process begin. The first step in production is creating the active pharmaceutical ingredient, often called the API. This is the chemical compound responsible for the medicine's therapeutic effect. Inside specialized chemical plants, large stainless steel reactors mix precise quantities of raw chemicals. These reactions must happen under carefully controlled temperatures, pressures, and timing. Some reactions take hours, others take days. Once the chemical reaction is complete, the mixture contains the desired compound along with impurities. So the next step is purification. Scientists use techniques like filtration, crystallization, and centrifugation to separate the pure active ingredient from unwanted materials. After purification, the compound forms a fine powder that becomes the core of the medicine. Now the active ingredient moves to a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility where it will be transformed into tablets, capsules, or liquid medicines. But the active ingredient alone is rarely enough. Most medicines contain additional ingredients known as excipients. These substances help stabilize the drug, control how quickly it dissolves, and improve its taste or texture. Common excipients include binders, fillers, and coating materials. Inside massive mixing machines, the active ingredient is blended with these excipients to create a uniform mixture. Precision is critical here. Even a tiny variation could change how the medicine works. Once the mixture is perfectly blended, it moves to a process called granulation. Granulation turns fine powder into small, uniform particles that flow smoothly during tablet production. This is usually done by adding a liquid binder that causes the powder to form tiny granules. The wet granules are then dried inside industrial dryers that remove excess moisture. After drying, the granules pass through milling machines that ensure consistent particle size. Now comes one of the most recognizable stages, tablet compression. The prepared granules are fed into high-speed tablet presses. These machines contain rotating dies and punches that compress the powder mixture under enormous pressure. In a fraction of a second, the powder becomes a solid tablet. Modern tablet presses can produce hundreds of thousands of tablets every hour. Each tablet must have exactly the same weight, hardness, and dosage. Sensors constantly monitor the process to ensure perfect consistency. For capsule medicines, the process is slightly different. Instead of compression, the powder is measured and filled into gelatin or plant-based capsules. Automatic capsule filling machines open empty capsules, fill them with the precise amount of medicine, and seal them closed in seconds. After tablets or capsules are formed, many medicines receive a protective coating. Coating machines tumble the tablets while spraying them with thin layers of liquid polymers. This coating can serve several purposes. It may protect the medicine from moisture, mask unpleasant taste, or control how quickly the drug dissolves in the body. Some coatings allow the medicine to dissolve slowly over several hours. Others ensure it releases only after reaching the stomach or intestines. Before any medicine reaches a patient, it undergoes strict quality control testing. Samples from every production batch are analyzed in laboratories. Scientists test the tablets for strength, purity, and dissolution rate, measuring how quickly the medicine dissolves in simulated stomach conditions. They also check for contamination, uniform dosage, and chemical stability. If even one test fails, the entire batch can be rejected. Pharmaceutical factories operate under extremely strict guidelines known as good manufacturing practices. These rules ensure every pill is produced safely and consistently. Once a batch passes all quality checks, the medicine moves to packaging. Automated machines place tablets into blister packs or bottles. Blister packaging seals each tablet in an airtight pocket made from plastic and aluminum foil, protecting it from moisture and air. For bottled medicines, counting machines rapidly measure the correct number of tablets before sealing each container with tamper-proof caps. Labels are applied containing important information such as dosage instructions, expiration dates, and safety warnings. After packaging, the finished medicine is stored in controlled warehouses before being shipped to pharmacies, hospitals, and clinics around the world. But even after reaching the market, the process doesn't stop. Pharmaceutical companies continue monitoring medicines through post-market surveillance. Doctors and researchers report any unexpected side effects so that regulators can ensure the drug remains safe. This continuous monitoring protects millions of patients who rely on these treatments every day. Think about it. A tiny pill you swallow in seconds may represent 10 to 15 years of research, billions of dollars in development, and the work of thousands of scientists, engineers, technicians, and healthcare experts. From laboratory discovery to chemical synthesis to precision manufacturing and global distribution, modern medicine is one of the most advanced achievements of human science. And all of that effort exists for one purpose: helping people live longer, healthier lives. The next time you take a tablet or capsule, remember the incredible journey behind it. That tiny pill is the result of decades of knowledge, technology, and teamwork working together to fight disease. If you enjoyed learning how everyday things are made and want more fascinating deep dives like this, make sure you subscribe and join the channel for more incredible stories behind the science that powers our world.